people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new in this channel, you are most welcome. So today's video we are going to be talking about deep mouth wrinkles, you know, those line that appears around the mouth and also at the eye area. You know, those wrinkles or those lines sometimes are caused by stress, and other times by excessive smoking, and other times by, you know, some chemicals that you use. So I'm going to be showing you a natural remedy that you are going to be using to get rid of the mouth wrinkles very fast and very effective. Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of my natural remedy for deep mouth wrinkle, please do continue watching, and don't you forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do ask them on my website, the link at my description box. And now let's dive into this video. Avocado is rich in fatty acids and is excellent for moisturizing the skin. Avocado contains potassium and lecithin, which helps to protect the skin and nourishes it. And it also helps to make the skin look younger because it helps in removing fine lines and wrinkles. For the avocado, I would like to take just a little piece of avocado, alright, because we actually don't need much of that since I'm going to be mixing just for one use. Make sure that your avocado is actually very ripe and actually very soft. So because I'll be mashing the avocado, I'm going to be cutting it in tiny pieces, alright, into my tiny bowl. Let me just do it this way. It would have been better I use a spoon to scoop it out. That way it will be much easier. Now I would love to mash the avocado. Alright, so if you want, you can as well just blend your avocado, okay, if you can't go through the process of mashing it. But if your avocado is actually very ripe and soft, it's easier to mash it. Okay, so I'm done mashing the avocado and it's actually very soft. Now the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be rice. The nutrients in rice helps to shrink large and open pores. It also helps in reducing the appearances of fine lines. It helps to tighten and brighten up the skin. It also helps to perfect the skin. It helps to leave the skin look youthful and radiant. Rice powder helps to unclog the pores, leaving the skin youthful and radiant. I'm going to be scooping in about 1 tablespoon of the rice powder. Okay, so this is actually my blended rice powder. Okay, so what you do is that you take the raw rice, okay, then you put it in a blender and just blend it. It goes into powder form, and that's literally how you're going to get your rice powder, as simple as that. Now the next ingredients I'm going to be needing will be moringa. Although this is a baking soda container, I actually dried the moringa and then I blended it, so I poured it into this container so I can, you know, use it anytime I want to use it. Okay, moringa contains protein and it also helps to remove build up clogged pores. It's very important in getting rid of excessive build up of oil on the skin that clog the pores. It also helps to control an early aging, and it provides the skin with nutrients that helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. Now after that is done, we're going to be scooping some amount of moringa powder into this. So we're going to be needing just a little quantity of moringa, so I'm going to be taking half teaspoon, okay, of the moringa powder. So I'm just going to be scooping it in. This is literally what we need for that, not too much. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be olive oil. Olive oil has been used in different ways. It contains anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial property. It also helps in glowing up the skin, and it's also an anti-aging property because it's packed with antioxidants and vitamins. It hydrates the skin by building the skin's moisture barrier to prevent loss of moisture on the skin. And now to mix the ingredients really well, we're going to be scooping in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now if you don't have olive oil, you can actually use coconut oil, okay? It's actually still okay. Now I'm just going to be mixing and stirring up the ingredients together, and it's going to be looking somewhat really thick like this. So you have to make sure to mash it really well. It also smells really nice. Alright, so here it is. Now how you're going to apply this, you're just going to take, as thick as this is, you're just going to apply this onto your face where you have the deep mouth wrinkles, okay? You're just going to apply that. Let it be, you know, much around that place, your mouth or your eye area. Okay, so you have to cover it up with this treatment, okay? So when you're done applying it, you have to hold on for a couple of minutes, okay? So what you do is to let it sit there and get into your skin really well, so it can really do the job. And after that, you can just go wash this off with a normal room temperature water, okay? So you don't need too much of, you don't need warm water for this. You have to wash it off with a cool water. And yeah, for this you can actually store it in your refrigerator for a couple of days. It's something you can also use every day for some couple of days, okay? After that you can throw it out in a week or some couple of days. You're going to be seeing a great result. Your deep mouth wrinkles or fine lines is just going to, you know, fade off, and your skin is going to glow really well. Alright guys, so those are the natural ingredients that you're gonna use to get rid of mouth wrinkles. Like, this ingredient is way natural and very effective, and I'm sure it's just going to help you to get rid of all of your mouth wrinkles. And also you have to follow suit by always massaging. You can massage your face like once or twice in a week while applying this remedy, and all of your problems are solved with this. So guys, that's it. If you did love the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and please share this video and follow me on Instagram, guys, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye, guys.